Oh, almost fell. Whoa, whoa. What's good with y'all though? It's your boy E-Ride Fanatic and trying to beat the storm and get to the store. That storm is on its way. Now it look darker than me because I got these tinted goggles on right now. But storm is heading this way. Come on. But I made an issue with the calculations of the oil change. Nobody. I said that it had to be about 300 miles. I was way off. 180 miles, and I'm at 176 miles right now. So oil change has to be done soon. And I watched the video, and I don't know if I got the tools for this. I think I can get all the shell off. It's just the part where they get to pulling the oil out. I just bought this wrench set, so I have it, but they need a lot of torque to get that thing to pop off, bro. Like, they had to use essentially a plasma lighter to heat it up on the sidewalk real quick. They had to use a plasma lighter to heat it up just to get that sucker off. I don't got all that. So I'm gonna try. I don't have a blowtorch or a plasma lighter, so I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to get that stupid thing off. And I ain't the best, like I said, I am not the best at doing auto repairs and stuff like that, so that's just not me. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I have to figure it out. And get that oil change. Plus, I don't know what to do with the oil. I don't know what to do with the oil. I think I still got oil from a car when I did the oil change inside my trunk. I don't know what to do with it. Like, it's bad for the environment, so I don't know where to put it. I got that sucker in my car. We gotta get on the sidewalk. I'm running on about 89%. Well, I came out with 89%. I'm on 87 now, but that's how I want to do it. I don't want to charge this thing all the way up because you don't necessarily have to. If I go for a ride and I come back at like 85%, like, I don't even have to charge it. I can continue to go. I think it starts losing its power around the 50% point, maybe 40. I was watching another YouTuber who has a Talaria Sting R. He was around 40%. He was still getting to it. It was like 47%, 40, yeah, around that area. So I think that's where it starts to like die on you a little bit. It's there. What's she doing? She just stopped there, but did she just stroke out? I don't know what just happened there, guys. The lady just stopped right in the middle of the street, and I looked over and she had like this look on her face with her mouth wide open, like she was just stroking out or something, or passed out. Maybe she's, you know, she has that sleeping disorder. But yeah, we're gonna hit the store up real quick. There's some things I've been wanting to get for the last few days. I was gonna do it yesterday, but it started raining, so I didn't get to ride my bike at all yesterday. unfortunately. I was going late like I normally do. I'm on vacation, man. I'm sleeping a lot, bro. It is what it is. Stay up late, gaming or chilling with the homies, and then I go to bed like dumb late at night, and then I don't get up until like 5, actually like 4, about 4 p.m. And then I start my day off at 4 p.m. So that's essentially how it's been. Yep, 1.78 miles, man. I have to get this oil changed. There's a bike lane right there. I like how they put a bike lane right there. I got my getting groceries bag on my back. I like having this bag. People think I'm doing Uber Eats or something. They're like, are you Uber Eats guy? No, I'm just getting this to put my cold stuff in. We're at the store. I'll be back after I come out of the daggone shop, and a bunch of people ask me a bunch of questions about the bike, because that happens every time, which is cool. Ooh, that storm was coming. I ain't gonna make it home. It's gonna get me before I get home. I made a brave mistake. Made a grave mistake. Alright guys, we are back. Now I'm gonna head home and try to beat the storm, as you can see over the horizon. I'm gonna get caught. It's gonna catch me. As soon as I get towards my house, I can already tell. Nothing I can do. If it were coming the other direction, it'd be so much better, but I'm about to ride right into this joint. Picked up some additional pounds. I got a bunch of heavy stuff in my bag. So I definitely ain't gonna be able to go as fast as I normally could. But I got some cold stuff, so I definitely want to get home. Like, I got some ice cream in here. Now the bag is insulated, so I should be somewhat alright. I tried to get a quick ride out, guys. I didn't get the ride yesterday because I took too long. If it doesn't rain as I get to my apartment complex, though, I do have to go somewhere there really fast. I probably will be doing that. Again, that's if it isn't pouring by the time I get to my apartment complex, because the storm is right over where I live. I don't like that. Not at all. A little harder to pull. It doesn't pull as hard because, you know, because of the weight I have on it. Oh yeah, the shocks are definitely having a harder time now with the added weight. Obviously you can adjust it though. It's definitely having a harder time. Oh, that was all glass. All right, man. Short ride. Sorry about that, but I just wanted to record while I was going to the store real quick. But like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, man. It's your boy, Ride Fanatic. I may upload it, I may not, because it was such a short ride. But you already know what it means when we get right here, because we're heading home. Still got the 55 miles per hour. Bye. Yo, we back out here for a few minutes. While I'm out here though, the bike is making a noise I never heard. I don't know what it is. Looks like a little crunchy noise. I don't know if it's my brakes. And like I said, it is time for oil change, but I felt like the motor wasn't messing up already, you know, so it can't be that, but it definitely sounds like if you didn't get an oil change in your car at the right time, you start hitting metal and stuff in the engine, that kind of deal. I don't know what it is. So I'm gonna have to take a look at it, see what it is, making all that noise. I don't know if you can hear it in the recording, but I definitely hear it. And I don't know, it could be because I have the different helmet on, but I had this helmet on when I rode with my brother on the first video with the Talaria. Well, second video. Well, that's originally like riding far. And I ain't hear none of this noise. Hold on now, that looks a little loose. The front fender's flopping around like it lost some tightness. I gotta see if the nail came out of there. The screw. That's one issue. But I plan on changing my oil tomorrow. Or attempting to, I should say. What is that? Is there a nail in the tire? Is that what I'm hearing? I'm gonna check everything, yo. Hold on, yeah, that fender's flopping. Hold on. They must have lost a screw. Hold on, we're gonna check that. Hold on. That's what I'm hearing. It's the fender. Alright, we gotta retighten that screw. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Because I think the bike tire has to be off to do that. That's gonna suck. Cause I don't feel like taking the tire off, bro. Alright guys, at this point I decided to head back home and fix the issue with the fender flopping all over the place. The next video I'm going to do that oil change, man, so be on the lookout for that. But this is your boy Ride Fanatic. Wear your gear and ride safely, and I'm going to be gone. Bye.